Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to share a file in a Zoom meeting. This is a useful feature when we want to send documents, presentations, or resources to participants during a meeting. Let's get started. When we are already in a Zoom meeting and want to share a file, all we need to do is click on the chat. Now we need to look for the file sharing option. We have to upload our file to Google Drive or OneDrive first, so we can share it during the call. Then we connect the account. Here, we should allow access so that it connects properly. Once our Google Drive is connected, we can go to our Google Drive and select it. Next, we select the file we want to share. Then, we click Send to share the file with everyone in the meeting. That's all there is to it. We can now easily send important files and work together more effectively.